heard a lot about speed and to be more precise, after I thought to pursue surgical gastro, sir. Last month of my preparation, after taking speed, after seeing sir's recall videos and high yield videos, especially, I think that was the game changer for me, sir. Because I started noticing difference even in my grant. April 1st to 15th, I think I did all the grant tests which were there in gastro part and speed, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings from behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Akhil Athota for scoring a topmost rank of AML rank 2 in specialty of MCH surgical gastroenterology. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Well, can we know a brief background of yours?
Yes, sir. I did my MBBS from NRI Medical College, sir, Guntur, 2K13 batch. I completed my house surgery in 2019, and after that I took a break of 1 year and I prepared for PG entrance. And in 2020, I joined MS in Andhra Medical College, sir, Vizag. I completed my MS in 2023, and I was preparing from 2023, from last August to this year INISS July session, sir. And now I got rank second.
Top class.
Thank you. Yes.
Now, why MCH surgical gastroenterology?
Sir, most of our cases which we got exposed to during our MS time were gastro cases, sir, and a lot of emergency cases which we are getting are also mostly gastro, sir.
Exposure.
So yes, sir, exposure. So even diagnosing the cases without sending investigations first, all that used to be interesting. So that was how I got fascinated towards this gastro, sir, surgical gastro.
Great. Why speed?
Sir, I've heard a lot about speed and Basan, sir, to be more precise, after I thought to pursue surgical gastro, sir. I got to know about it from one of my seniors, Dr. Vamsi. And actually, I've taken speed last year itself, sir, in 2023 Jan. But I didn't get the time to complete all the videos because I had to study for my theory exams, MS theory exams. And at this time around, I've taken it again only in the last month, sir, just 1 month before the exams. So because I thought this stressing and focusing on important topics, I think I'm a bit behind, I'm lagging. And so I thought I have to take again. And then I've taken this INI gastro and speed. And then I think that's when I've noticed the difference in even the grant test and all, I feel. So.
Great. Doctor, can you briefly tell us how you were able to manage that your final year program and also to study? And after that, most of the students, you would have given NEET also, I believe, last NEET also.
Yes, given NEET.
And was your exam primarily preparing for NEET or INISS? Can you tell me what was your mindset? What do you want actually to do? NEET or INISS? And what was your preparation mode? Can you tell us on that?
Yes, sir, sure. To be frank, INISS was out of my radar, sir. I was not aiming for INISS initially, even while we are preparing for MS and while we are preparing for NEET simultaneously in the 2023. I was just focusing on my theory exams and NEET. So I was reading Bailey, Sabiston. I was not focused enough on INISS, sir. I used to see the interviews, topper interviews, where they used to say that it's all about the mindset. It's all about, it's very easy actually compared to NEET and all, but I never took it seriously. But then when I gave my NEET last year, I got 762 ranks. So I wanted gastro and I was not getting it in a good institute. So I thought I have to take a break and then study. And then I've seen some of your interviews, sir. I've seen toppers say, you have to have that mindset first. Even you, sir, when you used to say that, this exam is easy than NEET. Many of us just leave it, just give this exam optionally. We don't take it even seriously. I know. So then I thought that's a big mistake that maybe everybody is doing, not even having the mindset of giving the exam properly. So I thought whatever be the result, I will consider this INI exam as my main exam. I won't think about NEET, because this time around I think the NEET date is also very uncertain. So I thought I have to change my mindset. I have to be serious about this exam. And from then, and from November 2023, I started preparing for INISS seriously. So I wasn't working anywhere. I was completely studying.
So it's a mindset, correct?
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
people have told so far.
Yes, sir.
So doable.
Yes, sir. It is. If I can do it, no, retrospectively saying anybody can do it. I feel it's all about the mindset.
Last 1 month of preparation, how important it is?
When I started reading for INI, I started giving random grant tests, from all other sources and all, sir. I used to get, just around 50% of the marks and all. But one thing which I was not satisfied was I was not able to identify the topics which were crucial for AIMS. Everybody knows that and used to tell that, in AIMS, it's actually, you have to identify what topics are being asked and which topics are important and all. So I was not able to do that. So last month of my preparation, after taking speed, and already I know about Basant sir, and after seeing sir's recall videos and high yield videos especially, I think that was the game changer for me, sir, because I started noticing difference even in my grant tests. And April 1st to 15th, I think I did all the grant tests which were there in gastro part and speed, sir. Even the tests were given in such a way that they are concentrated more on important topics and all. And I don't get when all the toppers, they all used to say you have to read the textbook line to line. I don't know how it's possible to remember line to line from the textbook when you don't know where to concentrate, which questions are being asked and all, sir. So I think that's how last 1 month was very crucial in identifying all the important topics.
You read the textbook as well?
I read the textbook, sir, but even while reading the textbook, I focused more on what sir said, which were important topics. I didn't read Shackelford completely, or I didn't read Bloomgard completely, sir. I have seen only sir's recall videos. I've read Sabiston and Bailey, but I haven't read Shackelford and Bloomgard, sir. Yeah.
Great. Now, number of questions you attended?
I attempted all 80, sir.
Wow.
I was not sure about only one question from general surgery. Something about breast reconstruction and the dimensions of it. But I thought we came this far, I'll take chance and attempt even that one as well.
So I think that has also played a role.
Yes, sir. It could have, yes.
What about the interview?
Interview part, there were one section was spotters, sir. The other section was case scenarios. Spotters, I felt I did very badly, sir, because I don't know. I'm not sure about all the answers and all, but I think spotters I didn't do so well. But the Viva part, where I was asked 3 case scenarios, I think I did that. Okay, I did that well. But spotters, I think I haven't done well. But I think the MCQ exam this time was important, sir, crucial.
Sure.
Yeah.
Doctor, what is the message that you want to give to your juniors that were aspiring for MCH surgical gastro?
Yes, sir. If it's INI is the aim, I think nobody should hesitate. They should go for it, because this is easier to study than reading all the subjects, remembering everything. So, and most important thing is you have to know where to stress when you're willing to put in all those hard work, all those hours. It's very important also to put that in the right direction. So for me, that last month where I've seen Basant sir's recall videos and all was crucial for me. So putting in hours and that too smartly and reading what's important is crucial for INI, sir.
Great, doctor. Now, did you prepare general surgery or not?
I did general surgery part for the last NEET, sir. NEET, but I haven't done it very thoroughly. And this time around, I've selected a few topics and selectively I've read for general surgery as well. So I didn't read CTVS, I didn't read plastic surgery. Selectively I've read, sir. I've seen your recall videos in previous recalls and I've identified some topics and I've read, sir, selectively.
Okay. Doctor, time to thank. Whom all you want to thank, you can use this platform to do so.
Yes, sure. Firstly, I'd like to thank all my professors and seniors at my college, sir, for guiding me throughout this process.
Which college? You can mention the
All the
college. So the video will go there.
Yes, sir. Andhra Medical College, Vizag, all my seniors and all the professors who have taught me, who have guided me. And to you, sir, for motivating and inculcating that idea of, yes, we can do it, even if non-AIMS, people who have not from AIMS or central institutes can do it, and also for motivating. And Basant sir, especially for all those recall videos and I haven't seen all the videos. I wish I could have, but I haven't got the time to see it. But I really thank Basant sir for this. And finally, all my family members and parents, especially for trusting me with this, for allowing me to be free and steady for all this time. Yes, sir.
Wonderful, doctor. Now, where are you going to join?
Mostly, I'll join in AIMS Delhi, sir.
Okay. So, from Andhra Medical College, AMC Vizag, to straight to New Delhi of
Yes.
AIMS, and the two a premier seat. What most of 90% of surgeons wanted.
Yes, sir.
Surgical, as general surgery, I mean, the exposure is more, and
Yes.
after that might be changing the specialty wanted, and now you.
I even thought of changing the specialty after I got the rank in NEET, sir. I was thinking plastic surgery and all, but I thought no, I'll stick to what I like. And
it's a great achievement. You look like a role model, not a look like you are a role model.
Thank you.
For many students who are going to watch this video.
So much, sir. Thank you so much.
Beautifully architected and beautifully executed, planned, and got it. And it's very, very nice. And we wholeheartedly appreciate you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
For what you know, for the mindset that you had from I will migrate only from neetss to INISS, then I will try. That mindset, that kind of idea and ideology that you got in and you work towards it, I appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Because that has given a result to you. I mean, we need not work for NEET at all. There is no need now.
That's what.
Huh? Why the students are not understanding this? So why they should be with one exam? Preparation could be one, exams could be multiple. And you have done it. For that, I'm very, very happy personally as well. And once again, wish you all the best and all the success for a great career in surgical gastroenterology.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
All the best.
Thank you.